In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier Manager to Microsoft Outlook for an easy integration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly link Zapier and Outlook, streamlining your workflow and automating routine tasks. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Zapier's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in zapier.com. You'll find yourself on the home page where you can explore the automation possibilities that Zapier offers. Once there, you'll want to locate the Login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. At this point, you'll need to enter your login details. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's free to start, and there are plenty of resources to help you out. After logging in, navigate directly to the Zapier home. The home section is like your personal dashboard, where all your existing Zaps and workflows reside, ready for you to edit or add to. This is a great place to get a sense of what you can automate with Zapier. Next, locate the section titled App Connections. This is where you establish the link between different apps you use, like Microsoft Outlook. It's your gateway to syncing and automating data across platforms. After clicking on App Connections, look for a button that says Add Connection. Click it, which will prompt you to select the app you want to connect with. You'll then want to search for Outlook in the search bar. This step is crucial because finding the correct app ensures that Zapier can integrate smoothly with your services. Once Outlook shows up in the results, click on Microsoft Outlook. This simple act connects Outlook to Zapier, enabling an array of automation possibilities from organizing emails to managing calendar events. Now, you'll need to click on Add Connection once more, and this is where the magic happens. By following this step, Zapier will ask you to authenticate with your Microsoft account. It's important that you grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your Outlook data. Don't worry. Zapier follows strict privacy guidelines to ensure your information remains secure. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Zapier Manager to Microsoft Outlook. This integration opens up a world of automation, allowing you to work more efficiently and free up time for more important tasks. You can now automate anything from email notifications to calendar management, all seamlessly from Zapier. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped enhance your productivity. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Happy automating!